New to AI or just curious how it all works? No worries. I keep things friendly and easy to follow. Every video breaks down powerful ideas and useful tools in a way anyone can understand. If you're ready to explore the future without feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place.
Imagine this. You want to understand the most cutting-edge treatment options for a certain disease. Maybe it's for research, maybe for work, maybe you're just trying to stay ahead, so you start searching, and suddenly you're drowning in academic papers, clinical trials, conference abstracts, and regulatory updates. Everything is important, everything is complex, and everything feels impossible to connect. Now here's the real question. What if there was an AI that could actually handle this complexity for you? Today, I want to show you Noah AI, and more importantly, what you can actually use it for in real life. In this video, I'll walk you through how Noah AI works, why it feels completely different from general AI tools, and how professionals in medicine, biotech, and research are using it to save massive amounts of time. If you're interested in medical AI, drug development, or research tools, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Let's jump in.
Noah AI is an AI agent purpose-built for biopharma, medical, and life science workflows. This isn't a chatbot trained to talk about everything. It's designed for situations where accuracy, evidence, and traceability actually matter. Instead of just answering questions, Noah is built to help you go from question to evidence to structured insight. And that design choice changes everything. Let me show you how this actually works inside the product. When you open Noah AI, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in the Agent tab inside the question box. This is important because the agent is what activates Noah's full professional workflow. Now, let's ask a real biomedical question. For example, what are the latest treatment approaches and clinical trial progress for multiple sclerosis? Once you submit that, something interesting happens. Instead of instantly answering, Noah first clarifies the question. It asks follow-up questions to understand scope, depth, and perspective, whether you care about mechanisms, trials, or clinical relevance. After that, Noah breaks the task into steps. You'll actually see it plan the work, deciding to search literature, jump into clinical trial databases, review authoritative medical sources, and check recent conference insights. As it works, Noah doesn't just summarize. It jumps directly into sources, PubMed, clinical trial registries, proprietary databases, and connects the dots for you. You're not just seeing an answer, you're watching the process happen in real time. And if the information isn't strong enough, Noah goes back and gathers more evidence before moving forward. This is where Noah AI really separates itself from tools like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a brilliant general assistant. It's great for writing, brainstorming, and summarizing content you already have. But life science work isn't about one-paragraph answers. It's about retrieving evidence, comparing sources, extracting key data, citing it, and turning it into something reviewable. Noah is built specifically for that workflow. It searches curated biomedical sources, understands medical terminology and synonyms, ranks information by level of evidence, and shows you the methodology behind the answer. That methodology is visible and editable, which matters in regulated or high-stakes environments. Instead of a black box response, you get something structured, repeatable, and defensible. That's the difference between a general AI and a purpose-built medical AI agent. So, what does this mean in practice? If you're a researcher or med student, Noah helps you explore disease areas, review literature, and understand where innovation is happening, without spending nights buried in PDFs. If you're in biotech or pharma, Noah accelerates target research, competitive landscape analysis, and pipeline reviews. For investors, it provides scientific context behind clinical trials and catalysts, not just headlines. And for clinicians, it's a way to stay current on emerging therapies, guidelines, and evidence without information overload. The common theme here is speed with credibility. Noah AI isn't trying to replace experts. It's built to support how experts already work, by handling complexity, organizing evidence, and making sense of massive amounts of medical information. If your work lives anywhere near medicine, biotech, or research, this is a tool worth understanding. I've put the link below so you can explore Noah AI yourself. And if you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. What would you use Noah AI for? See you in the next video.